Hey everybody, it's Mark again. I do want to mention this 701 movement. This movement stand here will not work on that movement because it's an 8-day movement, and it will not fit up at the top, and when you fit it at the bottom it's way too heavy. I need to get my procrastinating butt in gear. And if you remember me showing you a movement when I was visiting my friend's house that pushed on the movement versus pulled on the movement like this would work for that movement. So I really need to make a movement stand before I can actually fix that thing, because it's hard to hold the movement with the 8-day weights on and adjust what I need to adjust. So I need a movement stand.